If you're working with a tight budget or just beginning your journey as a creator, there are many free video editors available. These range from user-friendly options to professional-level tools that are highly regarded in the industry. You can find choices for Windows, Mac, and Linux, as well as web applications that can be used in a desktop browser. In short, you won't be at a disadvantage simply because you're looking for free software. So without holding any longer, let's begin. At number 5, we got Kdenlive. Kdenlive is a powerful and user-friendly video editor that feels premium. Its features are the advanced tools, effects, and transitions. Offers a variety of export options, including H.264, HEVC, and AV1. Among open-source and Linux-friendly video editors, Kdenlive stands out as the most comprehensive. Its intuitive interface provides all essential tools, such as the razor tool, snapping, and audio monitoring, making it easy to navigate. Users can also explore advanced features like chroma keying and color grading. The app allows for detailed export settings, and you can save custom profiles for future use. Overall, Kdenlive offers a logical experience that may even surpass freemium or premium editors once you start using it. At number 4, we got iMovie. iMovie is a user-friendly video editor that makes it easy to create simple videos. Its integration with the Apple ecosystem streamlines importing videos from your iPhone, and you can start editing on iOS or iPadOS and continue on macOS. You can drag and drop clips into the multi-track editor, with smooth previewing available on modern Apple computers. While its performance is impressive, iMovie has fewer features compared to Final Cut Pro. iMovie includes key features such as chroma keying, video stabilization, noise reduction, attractive transitions, and graphics. It also supports exporting to YouTube and Facebook, although there's no in-app integration. However, it only supports the 16:9 format, with no option for vertical or square ratios. Coming up next at number 3, we got Clipchamp. Clipchamp, owned by Microsoft, is a web-based video editor that functions in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or as a wrapper in Windows 11. While it offers a multi-track editing experience similar to desktop applications, performance relies on your internet speed and computer capability. The tool emphasizes simplicity, allowing users to drag clips onto a timeline, adjust colors, and apply effects easily. You can create vertical or square videos and export at up to 1080p directly to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Clipchamp provides access to a variety of free assets, including transitions, images, and audio files, along with an auto-captioning tool. However, in its free version, you could only export videos at 1080p at 60 frames per second, and it has limited access to included stock assets. Next in number 2, we got CapCut. CapCut is a freemium video editor available for Windows, Mac, and web, offering a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface that's perfect for beginners and reminiscent of more advanced tools like Final Cut Pro. Its free version is packed with features, including the ability to export videos in stunning 4K resolution at 60 frames per second and in multiple formats, such as ProRes, with the option to create GIFs. Users can access tools like text-based editing, which lets you edit video as easily as a text file, a simple chroma key feature with keyframe controls, and adjustments for curves, exposure, contrast, and color grading with LUTs. Additional perks include filters, transitions, stickers, and drag-and-drop effects. However, CapCut is not as robust as our #1 editing software for complex edits, and many advanced tools, like premium AI features and user-generated avatars, are locked behind a subscription costing $9.99 per month or $89.99 per year. Before revealing the best free editing software, I want to suggest you a free Adobe software called Adobe Premiere Rush. Adobe Premiere Rush is a streamlined video editor designed for quick and easy editing, ideal for beginners or those with simple projects. It offers a single video track for editing and 3 audio tracks for adding music or sound effects. Exports are limited to 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second in the free version, with direct uploads to YouTube and Facebook. While straightforward and user-friendly, Premiere Rush lacks advanced tools like chroma keying, multi-camera workflows, or TikTok integration. To access 4K exports and features like auto reframe for vertical video, a $9.99 monthly subscription is required. Its simplicity makes it perfect for quick edits, but serious creators will find its single-track workflow and lack of advanced tools limiting, making it more of a convenience tool than a comprehensive editor. Finally, at number 1, we got DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is not only the best free video editor available, but also among the top editing tools overall. DaVinci Resolve is a complete free video editing suite with extensive learning resources available, and it has direct uploads to YouTube and TikTok, including options for chapters, thumbnails, and titles. Developed by Blackmagic Design, it features abundant tutorials, both official and user-generated, making it easy to learn. The free version lacks 10-bit video export and may restrict high dynamic range HDR work, but it offers a robust suite of editing tools with minimal limitations. The cut and edit interfaces allow for quick edits and applying effects, while its multi-camera support enables easy syncing of clips. The Fusion interface can be used for advanced effects, the Fairlight for audio mixing, and the color interface for grading footage. Users can also export in various formats, including H.264 and ProRes 422. However, the free version doesn't include 4K video exports at 60 frames per second in 8-bit color. It also has limits on effects and other features. In conclusion, the options we explored today represent some of the best free video editing software available. Each program brings something unique to the table, catering to different skill levels and editing needs. Whether you are an aspiring filmmaker or just looking to create content for social media, these tools can help you achieve your goals without any financial burden. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of free editing software. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content. Share your experiences with these software options in the comments below. See you in the next videos.